Hi all, welcome back to HIMT's YouTube channel. Today we shall be seeing a video on the step-by-step procedure of revalidation of COC. So first we have to log into www.dgshipping.gov.in. Once you have opened up the website, you will get a link or you will get to see these tabs, and under e-governance, click on Seafarers Registration as shown in the video. You will be redirected to a page as shown, and you will have to enter your login credentials to log in. Once you have logged in, you can click on the link COC and COC Revalidation. Now you can see this page. Here you will be able to see the links for application for COC, application for revalidation of certificate of competency. Also you can see the links for application of DC endorsement, the basic level and the advanced level. Also you have a link by which if you click you can see the status of your fees payment for COC and COP. So today let us see how we can apply online the revalidation of COC from DG Shipping website. So click on the link application for revalidation of COC. You will be asked to select your grade, the rank for which you have to revalidate your COC. Click on continue. So this is basically the application, and you can see it is having few tabs like personal details, address, medical certificate, professional competence, casualty and enquiry, fees details, and a tab for attaching your documents. So in the first one, personal details, you can see like your professional details, your personal details, CDC details, application details. Majority of the details has been fetched from the Indos. You just have to cross check it. If you have any issues like which is being fetched from the Indos is not correct, you can request for personal details correction in Seafarer's profile, and it has to be done prior to submission of this online application. Now down below you can see the CDC details and the application details. There you have to select the office which you intend to apply to. You can choose from Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. Then they are asking a question, do you have sea-going service within last 5 years? If yes, you have to click on yes, else no. Similarly, there is one more question, do you have shore service within the last 5 years? Choose the appropriate answer and you can move down. There you will have to enter your course details, that is your refresher training for AFF and refresher training for PSCRB. If you have completed this, you can add on the details of your institute name, from date, to date and the certificate number. Once you have entered all the informations correctly, you can click on the continue button. The next one is the address. So this is basically the address where you will receive your post from the MMD which you have chosen. So you just have to cross check again if the address is correct, or else you can change it and click on continue. You have to enter the valid email address and mobile number also. Okay. In the next one, it is the medical certificate. You should be having a valid medical certificate. It's also recommended to have it in your hand when you are applying this online application. You will have to enter the name of the doctor, the DG's approval number for the doctor, place of issue of medical certificate and the date of the issue of medical certificate. So all this information you will get it from your medical certificate. Once this is done, you can click on the continue button. The next one is the sea service details. You will have to enter the last 5 years sea service details in here. You have to enter the name of the vessel, IMO number, gross tonnage, vessel type, the rank which you served, the from and to date. All this has to be entered in. For separate sailings or separate contracts, you have to enter it separately. Once you have entered, you can click on click to add service details. Okay, once that is done, you will be moved to the professional competence. That is passing an approved test for the purpose of COC revalidation. Down below you can see not required for the persons having required C service or equivalent show service. So you can click no if you have a required C service. Then click continue. Here they are asking two questions. One is casualty details. Did any ship mentioned in C service suffer any casualty during your service on board? Select the appropriate answer. Second question is, did you undergo any inquiry by any government or other authorities in connection with your service on board ships mentioned? Select the appropriate answer again and click on continue. Okay, this is the fees payment page. Here you will have to pay amount of 5,000 and to pay it, click continue. Online payment to be made after application number is generated. Fees once paid will not be refunded. So once we have submitted this, the application number will be generated. Only then we have to pay the fees. When you press continue, you will be moved on to this page, attaching the documents. Here you will have to attach the 8 mentioned documents, that is scanned copy of signed online application. You have to take a print of this online application and sign it and scan it. That copy has to be sent. Passport size photograph with clear white background or with your face covering 70%. Then you have to send your scanned signature of the seafarer, scanned copy of all relevant pages of your COC, self-attested scanned copy of CDC booklet pages showing relevant sea service along with the first and last pages, self-attested scanned copy of sea service in original letter issued by the vessel owner or agent with RPSL number and email address, self-attested scanned copy of medical fitness certificate from DGS approved doctor, scanned copy of certificates of modular and updating training courses as applicable in one PDF file. All the refresher courses what you have done has to be in one PDF file. Once all this is done, you can click on I agree and you can click the submit button. So this is how you can apply for the revalidation of COC online. Now once you have done that, you can click this link to pay the fees, and also you can see the status of what all fees you have already paid over here in this link. If you have any queries in this video, you can put it up in the comment and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video, and we are glad to announce that HIMT is conducting all the DG approved virtual classes. You can visit our website www.himtmarine.com for further details. Thank you.